What is Chat GPT? Chat GPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. It's based on the GPT architecture. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It is designed to generate human-like text responses when given a prompt. The chat aspect of ChatGPT refers to its ability to engage in conversational interactions. ChatGPT can understand and generate text in a coherent and contextually relevant manner, which makes it suitable for tasks such as answering questions, providing explanations, offering suggestions, and engaging in dialogue. Personally, I believe that ChatGPT is made for teachers. ChatGPT tool supports teachers in many various ways. We will be discussing 7 of them in this slide. The first one is language support. ChatGPT can assist teachers who work with non-native English-speaking students or English language learners by providing language support, helping with vocabulary explanations, or suggesting activities to promote language development. ChatGPT can support with professional development by providing resources for ongoing professional development for teachers. So as a teacher, you can ask for recommendations on books, articles, or online courses related to specific teaching methodologies, pedagogical strategies, or classroom management techniques. ChatGPT can support with classroom activities. It provides creative classroom activities and group projects ideas, as well as interactive learning experiences. ChatGPT can offer ideas for engaging discussions, critical thinking exercises, or hands-on experiments. Content knowledge. ChatGPT has access to a vast amount of information which can help answer specific questions or provide explanations on various subjects. So as a teacher who is looking for a quick reference tool to enhance the content knowledge or find explanation, ChatGPT can provide support for complex topics to better support students' learning. Lesson planning, which we will be talking extensively about after this slide. ChatGPT can provide assistance in generating ideas, brainstorming lesson activities, and offering suggestions about teaching strategies, learning resources, as well as warm-up ideas and closure for a specific topic. Differentiation. As a teacher, you are keen on catering for the students' needs regardless of their abilities and interests. ChatGPT provide suggestions for differentiating instruction to meet the diverse needs of students by proposing modified assignments adopting lessons for students with special needs, and providing additional support and enrichment activities for talented and gifted students. Last but not least, ChatGPT can assist in developing assessments, providing sample questions, and offering feedback on student work. Teachers can use ChatGPT to generate formative or summative assessment idea, explore different assessment formats, or receive suggestions for providing constructive feedback to students. While ChatGPT is a very helpful tool, it should not replace the expertise and experience of teachers. As a teacher, you need to use your professional judgment and critical thinking skills when utilizing the suggestions or information provided by ChatGPT. Additionally, ChatGPT's responses should be reviewed for accuracy and appropriateness before implementing them in the classroom. So let's focus now on the usage of ChatGPT to design a unit or a lesson plan. All what you have to do as a teacher is to type the topic title into the ChatGPT search box and ask for the unit plan design of this specific topic. Immediately, ChatGPT will provide the grade level proposed for this topic, the duration, objectives, material or learning resources, suggested introduction, the recommended direct instruction, guided practice, independent practice. It will provide some connections to real-world problems and extended practice ideas for group discussions and sharing, in addition to assessment, closure, and extended differentiated tasks for lower able students or higher order thinking skilled students. So starting with the brainstorming, ChatGPT provide brainstorming ideas by proposing and generating suggestions for discussion points, instructional strategies, or hands-on cooperative activities. ChatGPT as well will provide the lesson plan structure, as we have mentioned before, by outlining the objectives, materials, procedures, assessment, and differentiation strategies. Furthermore, ChatGPT will provide activity suggestions related to the lesson topic. ChatGPT can provide suggestions for hands-on activities, group work, multimedia resources, or interactive exercises specifically aligned to the age group expectations and the grade level. Resources and materials. ChatGPT can help teachers find relevant resources and materials to support the lesson plan. Teachers can ask for recommended websites, books, articles, videos, or educational apps that align with the lesson topic and provide additional information or examples. As mentioned before, teachers can seek advice from ChatGPT on how to differentiate the lesson plan to meet the diverse needs of students. ChatGPT can offer suggestions for modifying activities, providing scaffolding, or incorporating extension tasks to support students with different abilities or learning styles. So, as a teacher, you know the cases of your students who have special educational needs. Just type the lesson topic and the case, and ChatGPT will provide you with ideas which you can select from based on the suitability of the proposed activities to your students' needs. Teachers can ask ChatGPT for suggestions on how to assess student understanding and progress during or after the lesson. It provides ideas for discussion prompts, quizzes, formative assessments, or projects that align with the lesson objectives. If a teacher is interested in incorporating technology into the lesson plan, ChatGPT can recommend digital tools, educational websites, or online resources that can enhance the learning experiences. Last but not least, ChatGPT can offer tips and strategies for managing the classroom during the lesson. Teachers can ask for advice on engagement techniques, behavior management strategies, or ways to foster a positive learning environment. I have to re emphasize what was mentioned after the first slide during this video, which is related to the validation of the data. We need to keep in mind that while ChatGPT can provide valuable suggestions and resources, teachers should exercise their professional judgment and adapt the information to suit the specific needs and context of their students. It's very important to review and customize the suggestions provided to align with the instructional goals, student characteristics, and classroom dynamics.